Hey, what's up? This is Ryan Hoover with Fit to Fight, and this is your Fit to Fight fix.
We looked at throwing this knee to the body. Okay, don't have to, but especially with somebody bigger and stronger than me, and maybe I haven't gotten a good enough posture break yet, I may want to get a knee to the body and get that posture break. Now,
that works.
when I bring this knee down, if I know that I'm going to try to make my takedown, I'm going to go ahead and place it where I want it. Here, okay? So I'm going to get my toes going in the same direction as Morgan's. Here. Now, when you're training this for just safety, my partner should have all of their weight on the opposite leg. Now, you can force this, right? I can push her that way and create a heavy leg over there, okay? But just for safety, I don't want Morgan to be heavy on this leg because we're going to blow her knee off. She's already done that. Let's not do that again. Knee to the body. I'm going to turn my hips to be in line with hers. My calf and hamstring is on the front of her leg, and all I'm going to do for right now is just straighten my leg. And what we looked at first was just snapping them down. Okay, so if I get that big nose over knees posture break here, and then snap down. And obviously not for training, but you should think of this snap down like a med ball slam. Bang! Like you're trying to, the ground should come really, really fast for them. Obviously in training, you want to be careful, but I should be going boom. Now understand too, I might be able to go here, throw this knee, and immediately go into the snap down. Okay? Situational dictate. This is a lot bigger person than you. You don't feel like you've got enough posture break and you need to give yourself a little bit more, take posture and balance, then this inside trip is where we're going to go.
Hope you enjoyed that fix, and welcome to the Fit to Fight Republic.